David Bowie, the Sons of the Silent Age. I'm just singing along with them just because I feel like it. I love this song. I don't have a clue what it means. I just think the music's very sexy, very slinky and sexy, I think. I'm going to do interpretive dance. Yeah, I'm going to do interpretive dance. The sons of the silent age stand on platforms, blank looks and notebooks. Sit in back rows of city limits, lay in bed, coming and going on easy terms. The sons of the silent age pace their rooms like a cell's dimension, rise for a year or two, then make war, search through their 1-inch thoughts, then decide it couldn't be done. Baby, I'll never let you go. All I see is all I know. Let's take another way down. Baby, baby, I'll never let you down. I can't stand another song. Let's find another way in. Say slinky, slinky sexy. The sons of the silent age listen to tracks by some therapy and King Dice. The sons of the silent age pick up in bars and cry only once. The sons of the silent age make love only once but dream and dream. They don't walk, they just glide in and out of life. They never die, they just go to sleep one day. Baby, I'll never let you go. All I see is all I know. Let's take another way down. Oh, baby, 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 I won't ever let you down. I can't stand another song. Let's find another way. Yeah. Oh, baby, baby, baby. That was fun. I love that song. Sons of the Silent Age, off of Heroes, I think. Okay, see ya.